Welcome back to another schema scalper video. In this video we're going to be looking at the seller took. It was minus 1.6%, which is much more than I'm supposed to be losing per trade. But yeah, 5 lots. Stop was super wide. It was like what, 60 points, which is crazy. I don't know what I was doing. Why didn't my stop? It's so large. But let's get into the trade. Okay. So this is my thoughts. My thoughts was this high as liquidity. It's been taken, and it comes back into the range, and then the low of the liquidity, which is here, hasn't been taken yet. So my idea was that on the 5-minute chart there's this fair value gap. So inside that I would want to be selling short, and then with the target being this low that's being made. And as you can see, there's lows at 545, and I'll open Nasdaq. The low at 5 is already taken. So for me, during this time, and it was 5 past 10. For me, at 5 past 10, as we're going up into this fair value gap, my eyes were already looking at these lows, and I thought we were going to push lower and take out these lows. So I was entering sells inside the fair value gap for it to go lower. Unfortunately, as you can see, it didn't go lower, and we got stopped out. We got stopped out much more than what we should have. I think I was in it. Yeah, I was in. Let's make sure. I was in 506, so that's 1006 right there. I was in sells, in a sell position here. Went a bit into profit, and I thought, okay, once it takes these lows, to have no problem running for this low, and then the lows made at like 6 o'clock in the morning US time. Okay, that was what my idea was. I had, in the beginning of the trade, I had a proper risk management. I didn't have my stop up here, all the way up here. I ended up putting my stop up here, getting stopped out, and then market reversing back to my entry point, which was up here in this area. It's kind of silly. It's actually disgusting. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually disgusting. Losing 1.6% just because I couldn't properly manage my risk is disgusting. Not due to slippage, it's not due to any broker, blah blah blah. No, it's because I couldn't handle my risk properly. It's actually terrible. But yeah, that's the trade, and minus 1.6%. What can you do about it now? I can just look at it and be like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. This is what I've learned. So now I learned, just be patient, wait for the setup to come to me. This was actually a proper setup. I would take this again, obviously with lower risk. And the lot size was correct, which is 5 lots, which is what the size I usually trade with. But if you see the stop size, that's what got me out. It's literally 64 points, 64 point stop, which is terrible. I never used stop that large. So yeah, hope you found this video insightful. As you can see, I'm real, I'm being transparent. This is just part of the game. Cheers.